National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Polk County in southeastern Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Otah, or 10 miles west of Thicket, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Romeo, Sano, and Rye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.